Hello, friends. A very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to the time. So, first chapter of class 7th, a large number around us. In this chapter, we have learned about the numbers like as the thousands, tens, ones, hundred, lakhs. So, first of all, we know about identify the number of zeros in large numbers like 1 lakh, 1 crore, 1 million, and 1 earth and distinguish between the Indian number system and the international naming number system for the large number. Analyze the large numerical data to estimate how we can do estimate between the quantities in various contents such as the population, money and time and others. Complex using multiplications, using regrouping, factorization methods and others. So we move on the next one. It's a building 1 lakh. The largest two digits number is 99. If we added 1 and 8, is the smallest digit number is 100. After that, if we take the three digit largest number, it will triple nine 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 999. Added 1, the smallest four digit number will become 1000. The largest four-digit number is 9999. If we add 1, the smallest five-digit number 10,000. If the example five-digit number is there, it is 99999. It's ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. If added 1 in it, then it will become 1 0 0 0 0 and 0. It will become 1 lakh. So we move on the first checkpoint of this chapter. In this checkpoint, compare each of these numbers with 1 lakh. अब इसमें क्या करना है कि जो नंबर है वो 1 lakh से कंपेयर करने हैं कि अब इक्वल आ रहे हैं या नहीं आ रहे हैं. इफ वो नंबर इक्वल है देन वी राइट इक्वल. इफ वो नंबर स्मॉल दे रखा है तो देन वी राइट स्मॉलर. इफ नंबर इज गिवन ग्रेटर देन वी राइट ग्रेटर. Okay, let's start it with a first question. In this question, it's a 95,000. First, we write 95,000. We can compare it with 1 lakh. Compare with 1 lakh. It is 1 0 0 0 0 and 0. So 95,000 is lesser. It means smaller than 1 lakh. Second one is 1 lakh and 20,000. 100. Then it is greater. Third one is 1 lakh 125. It's greater. Fourth one is 85,500. It's smaller. Fifth one is 2 lakh 50,000. It's a greater. Sixth one is 1 lakh 1. It's a greater. 99,998 smaller. 10,000 is smaller also. It's a clear to all. Now we move on the first exercise of this chapter. Fill in the blanks with a greater sign, lesser sign and equal to. So first question is 98,750 blank then 1 lakh. What's the greatest number? 1 lakh is the greatest and we will use the that sign for the greatest number. 1 lakh 5,300 is the greatest than 1 lakh. 99,999. 1 lakh is the greater one. 1 lakh 20,000 is less. 1 lakh is less as compared to 1 lakh 20,000. Then we will use a sign from for 1 lakh 20,000. 86,400 and 1 lakh. What is the greater number? 1 lakh. 1 lakh is equal to 1 lakh. Both are the same number, no change. 1 lakh 2,650, then 1 lakh. Which one is the biggest? This one. 92,580. Which one is the greater? 1 lakh. Is it clear to all? Now we move on the part B of this exercise. First exercise, part B. Answer these questions. You have 89,700. how much more is needed to make it 1 lakh. आपके पास 89,700 है रुपीज, देन आपको कितने ऐड करने होंगे उसमें 1 लाख बनाने के लिए? कैसे करेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी टेक रुपीज 1 lakh, write it properly. We will deducted 89,700. Okay, then after deducting it, it becomes 0 0. We will take a carry from here, then here 0 is there, the 99 0 and 10. After 10 minus 7 3, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 8 1. We needed rupees 10,300 is needed to make it rupees 1 lakh. Clear? In second question, you have rupees 1 lakh 4,250. How much you should subtract? Subtract क्या होता है? माइनस करना. To reduce 1 lakh. वो 1 lakh पे कब आएगा? कितने हमें रिड्यूस करने पड़ेंगे, कितने हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पड़ेंगे? अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन. रुपीज 1 lakh 4,250. We will reduce it. 1 lakh 4 lakh 250 are there. 04250 should be subtracted to reduce it rupees 1 lakh. Clear? Now third question is there. A city population is 95,865. How many more people are needed to make it exactly 1 lakh? कितने peoples हमें add करने पड़ेंगे exactly 1 lakh बनाने के लिए? So we here do the question. 1 lakh is there. Then we will subtract 95,865. After 0, we will take a borrow from that side. It's 10, 9, 9, 9, 9. Here 0. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 9, 0. Then 4,135 is needed to make 1 lakh people exactly. Now we move on the fourth question. A school fund has reached 1,12,000. जो स्कूल का फंड था वो कितने रुपीस पे आ गया? 1,12,000. इट मीन्स 1,12,000 पे. हाउ मच एक्सेस, कितना एक्सेस हुआ उसमें, कितना ऐड हुआ है? शुड बी रिमूव, हमें कितना रिमूव करना चाहिए टू कीप द फंड 1 लाख, कि वो दोबारा कहाँ पे आ जाए? 1 लाख पे आ जाए. तो हम कैसे करेंगे? वी विल राइट रुपीज 1,12,000 here. Then we will subtract 1 lakh from here. Then the answer is 12,000. So rupees 12,000 should be subtracted to reduce it 1 lakh. In fifth question, a factory has produced, एक फैक्ट्री ने प्रोड्यूस किए हैं 76,980 यूनिट्स. हाउ मेनी मोर यूनिट्स आर नीडेड? अब कितने नीडेड उनको चाहिए यूनिट्स कि उनके जो प्रोडक्शन का टारगेट है वो 1 लाख हो जाए? तो कैसे करेंगे हम? यहाँ पे अब 1 लाख, राइट 1 लाख यूनिट्स हियर. We will subtract 76,980. What will the come answer is 0 2 0 3 2. It means we needed 23,020 needed to make it 1 lakh. Is it clear? Then we move on the sixth question. A business spent, एक business ने कितने spend किया? 1,18,450 rupees last year, पिछले साल. How much should be cut off from his to limit? अब कितने cut हो गए उसकी limit में से? The spending 1 lakh. कैसे करेंगे sixth question हम? Again rupees 1,18,450 will subtract 1 lakh. Answer is 0 5 4 8 minus 0 8 1 minus 1 0. Then rupees 18,450 should be subtracted to reduce it to rupees 1 lakh. Then the seventh question, your online game score is 99,999. What small number is needed to make it exactly 1 lakh? कौन सा स्मॉल डिजिट नंबर हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे कि टोटल हमारा 1 लाख बन जाए? ओके, इन सेवन क्वेश्चन राइट 9,999 स्कोर था गेम में. कौन सा स्मॉल डिजिट नंबर ऐड करेंगे 1 लाख बनने के लिए? ओनली 1. 9 plus 1 10 0 1 is here. 9 plus 1 10 0 1 is here. 9 plus 1 10 0 1 is here. 9 plus 10 0 1 is here. 9 plus 1 10. 1 lakh is there. In eighth question, a book publisher printed 92,475 books. एक बुक पब्लिशर ने 92,475 बुक्स को प्रिंट किया. How many books more are needed to reach the magic number 1 lakh? We write 1 lakh here first. उसने जितनी पब्लिश करनी थी बुक्स, कितनी उसको नीड थी 1 लाख तक पहुंचने के लिए? 1 लाख माइनस करेंगे 92,475. Okay, then what will come the answer? Here write 10. We will carry from. We'll take carry. Okay, 10 minus 5 5. 9 minus 7 2. 9 minus 4 5. 9 minus 2 7. 9 minus 9 0. How many need to publish the book more printed by the publisher? 7,525. More books are needed to reach at 1 lakh. Clear?